what is up? Another day, another vlog. Everything is back to normal. Everything is back to normal. I just went to Harajuku. There's a lot of people. Just went to Omotesando. There's a bunch of people. The emergency, state of emergency, I think it's not a lockdown, it's not a quarantine in Japan. They can't do it, so it's a state of emergency, and they lifted it. So everyone is out and about. Basically, I'm with a friend. He's from work. I'll introduce him later. He wants to kind of learn the basics of a camera. I know only the basics of the camera, so I thought, you know, we would come out here, film, learn whilst using the device. I'm getting really dark. This is me saying that I know the basics of a camera. I can't even get this guy to get brighter. There you go. Okay, yeah. It's a lot of noise, but hold on. There you go. It's not, yeah. This place is so beautiful. We are at the Yoyogi Park. It's a shrine. I think it's a back entrance to Meiji Jingu shrine. And I just came in. I think we're supposed to bow or something like that. I just came. It's being disrespectful. Alright, he also wanted me to teach him how to use a gimbal. A gimbal. That's what it's called. A gimbal. I don't know how to use a gimbal myself, but I do know these things more better than said one. But I do use a Steadicam. That's what I use to stabilize my shots. Not a gimbal. I just think a gimbal is too motorized. Yeah. I need to control my stuff, so. Is it good? Oh, that's good. Alright, a gimbal test 1. Filming me. You guys. Test 1. Let's see how this gimbal works. Good? Okay.
Please proceed to the nearest exit.
There's a tiger here. I don't know why there's a tiger here. Oh shit! I just saw its face. Damn, that's a scary face. The shrine's closing. Never heard of that. Never heard of a shrine closing, but I guess if you have one big shrine, a famous shrine like Meiji Jingu, I guess you're gonna have to close it. It's basically a national park kind of thing. National park closes, right? Yeah, I think so. That's our entrance. We are still here. Like, we gotta move. We're trying to get to the other exit, which is more pronoun, more famous. I don't know if I'm using pronoun right. He's still playing with his gimbal. It's so great. Like, I've been taking some shots. It's great. It's very great. It's really nice. We're finally out of the temple. Thank you. Always bow. Always bow. Outside. This is the more famous part of Harajuku, of the Meiji Jingu shrine. There's the station. There's the shrine. Yeah. We literally crossed Meiji Jingu shrine. It's very big. Now I know why New Year's are very busy here. Where do you want to go? Right, we're here at a ramen restaurant, one of my favorite ramen restaurants. There's one in Shinjuku, and now we're in Shibuya's one. It's called Coleman. Highly recommend it. It's very nice. We're gonna have dinner. Alright, we're done with our food. God, that was a lot. First we went to Fridays, we got some snacks, and then we went to the ramen shop. So we ate quite a lot. No cars, we are going. We are about to say farewell to each other. Is this alright? We're about to say farewell to each other. It was fun. ちょっと英語で話すよ。How was it?
Yeah,
どうだった? Oh, shit.
Okay.
I hope that I was a I was a good teacher to you.
I was a good teacher.
よかった今。分かった。He doesn't understand me. But yeah, we had fun. I had fun with the gimbal. It was very nice. But I still do prefer a Steadicam. I feel. Oh my god. I still prefer a Steadicam because it's more natural and it's more. I can control it more. With the gimbal, with the joysticks, it's just very hard to predict where the camera is gonna go, and not really a fan. But it was great to use it, to have an experience with it. It was very nice. All right, say bye.